And finally, it's the biggest box office clash as Amitabh Bachchan starrer Buddha and Aamir Khan's production Delhi Belly releases today. As we know, Aamir Khan has great marketing skills, and to top it all, he also does an item number in the film. Both films are backed by great marketing strategies and attention-seeking dialogues. Delhi Belly has, of course, a highly controversial DK Bose song, and in the movie Buddha, the song Buddha Hoga Tera Baap, some dialogues have been beeped out.
DK Bose, everyone is talking about DK Bose, DK Bose, DK Bose. No one is talking about the rest of the lyrics. Daddy mujhse bola tu galti hai meri. The idea that everyone at some point has felt like an underdog. Everyone has felt like someone's telling me you can't do it. Like you guys must be feeling right now with this 100% cutoff. Okay, nahi, you're not good enough, nahi, you're useless, nothing will happen. You deal with that, you live with that. So I think that is what has connected with people more than the gali. You can hear galis anywhere, any day. You can sometimes say galis yourself. Don't tell your parents I said that, but you can say it. It's not about the hidden bad language in DK Bose. It's about people actually liking the lyrics.
Right.
I think. No?
Yeah. We agree. Well, all the very best for the film.
Thank you.
We hope it's going to be a success. And thank you all for joining us on the show. Wonderful to have you here. Okay. And we also hope that all of you do get your admission, get into some college. But remember, college is just not, life is not about just college. Life is not only about getting into a particular course or college. There's so much to life beyond it. In fact, there's so many dropouts you can name who've done really well in life. Imran Khan himself claims he got 57% and look at where he is. So that should be inspiring enough. Thanks very much for joining us. And we're going to end on what is the anthem.
मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिल्टी है मेरी साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग 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 भाग 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 ओ माय गॉड लग गई क्या से क्या हुआ देखा तो कटोरा झांका तो कुआ चिट्ठी जैसा चूहा तुम पकड़ा तो निकला काला नाग 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 भाग 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 दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग आंधी आई आंधी आई आंधी आई आंधी आई भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग 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 दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस आंधी आई है
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.